Hello. For this week's challenge question, do you think it's reasonable to realign universal design to support design decisions in a very different landscape, that of learning? What do you make of the different attempts to do so? Um, I remember one of the UDL workshops that I attended a year ago. It talked about what universal design have to do with education, besides letting all students in the door. Um, in community college, issues of retention, persistence, and completion are attributed. The learning environments are not equipped to serve diversity that exists. As there is inequitable learning environments and curriculum that overwhelm and dissatisfy students. According to Eric Moore, UDL takes systemic focus on the average as it provides options, flexi- flexibility in presenting methods and contents. According to past.org, UDL is a scientifically valid framework for guiding educational practice, facilitates the design and implementation of a flexible and responsive curriculum as it offers options for how information is presented, how students respond or demonstrate their learning and their skills and knowledge, and how students are engaged in learning. Uh, UDL implementation provides the opportunity for all students to access, participate in, and progress in the education curriculum by reducing barriers to instruction. Therefore, UDL provides multiple means of representation. That means it gives learners various ways of acquiring information and knowledge. It also provides multiple means of expression as it provides learners alternatives for demonstrating what they know. And multiple means of engagement means it taps into learners' interests, offer appropriate challenges, and increase motivation. Now, who benefits from universal design for learning? Students with learning disabilities, students who are deaf or blind, ESL learners, international students, students with uh, various learning styles, adult students, adult learners, everyone. UDL would increase student success by eliminating confusion and addressing student needs and making instruction accessible to all students. It can really boost the success rates, especially regarding equity for underrepresented students. It maximizes success by making sure that students can absorb the learning in a way they can learn it. And it is also culturally responsive and serves the needs of all students. Um, Therefore, UDL benefits both faculty, both teachers and students by increasing engagement and ultimately